everyone. Today we are going to do educational calendar for kids, which will be a more interactive one and reduce the screen time for your child. Hope this video will be useful for you. Keep watching till the end. Surely it will be a useful video for you. Come, let's go into the video. Here I have used two cardboards of the same size and stuck together to get a sturdy one, and now I am applying a gesso there. Actually a gesso we can do it by ourselves. You can buy from the store also or online. So there's many options for you to purchase this gesso. But a simple thing, the DIY of gesso, you can mix the mixture of glue, POP and white acrylic paint. The ratio 1:2. And now I am securing the sides with the masking tape to get a nice finish. And the next side I am painting the same gesso there. The next side, actually the first what I shown is that the rough paint, since that we are not going to do anything, and this is the space where we are going to do our activity. So I'm giving so many coatings there. Actually I didn't shoot that one. I have given so many coatings, 1, 2, 3, 4 coatings. I think I have given 4 coatings there. Yeah, now I have got a nice texture. I have dried it up, and now I am measuring and cutting small slits there on the 4 sides of the cardboard. I have finished 3 now. I'm going to cut the 4th one. Small slit is enough just to slide over the cardboard or something there. Yeah, this is the finished one. I have made a circle in between them. So for the clock pattern, we are going to bring out a clock pattern there. So I have drawn a circle in between, and now I'm painting. Yeah, this is purely your creativity idea. This calendar will be very useful for your child to know the daily updates, like the day, the month, the date, today's date, everything. They'll learn the days of the week, months of the year very easily. This is the numbers I have cut from the old calendar. Yeah, I have stuck it. Nice, isn't it? Now I am doing the middle part. I have chosen a theme of deserty, fall season, like that something. So yeah, this is the one. I have drawn something there. Now I have cut from the chart that what is that, the month of the year from the chart, and I stuck there. And now I'm painting and detailing something. And the down portion, you can stick anything. You can now I'm sticking the day, that is the morning, the afternoon and night. You can stick there the season, the climate, or you can write. You don't need to draw. I have drawn so there, but you can write right there so that your child could mark that. Yeah, if your child can read, then they can write something there. It will be easy for you to. I have drawn there. This is the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yeah, now this is the one you can make it more something. You can cut a small arrow also for moving the sliding portion. I have done a square shape model there from the cardboard. I have also done by cutting from the plastic box. See, the plastic box I have cut from there. Yeah, I have done the hands of the clock also, short hand and the long hand, and I now fixing it with a screw, tightening at the back with a small like something I had in my home. I don't know the name. Small nut-like structure, nut or bolt something. Small plastic one secured with that on the back side. The same thing for the I show now the close. See, this is the one I cut from the plastic. I painted it. Plastic one would be very sturdy, and this is the I cut from the cardboard. Now I am fixing everything. Fixing everything. Yeah, check whether it is moving smoothly or not, so that it will be easy for your child to do that. Yeah, next one I am fixing. Yeah, I forgot to color, so I am doing it. Yeah, that one I made it by oval shape. Oval shape. This one is the hand of the clock. I'm painting it. You can fix it. The next shorthand I'm painting. Yeah, the shorthand I'm painting, and you can fix it there. But it's by securing it. I think everyone knows that. For the board pin, you can secure by that. And the last and final touch, the numbers. Yeah, actually I like this very much. My child likes it. He'll do every day. Now I'm painting with the paint. Yeah, I'm writing with the paint, sorry. Yeah, this is the finished one. You can fix it in the office room also. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.